Yeah! 3 kicks that you can use in a street fight. Alright, so the first is an oblique kick. My opponent is going to be coming aggressively forward. Okay? He's going to start unloading on me. From here, I'm going to use my oblique stomp kick to stop his forward movement. I can strike him in the thigh or I can strike him in the knee. You have to commit with this oblique stomp kick. Okay? You have to think of going through that leg. You're going to have guys that got very strong legs today, a lot of squats, etc. But the joints are going to be the same as everybody else. So from here, oblique kick, stomp that leg. That's number 1. Number 2 is an oblique sweep kick, just like I'm sweeping these rocks out of the way. Same idea. From here, it's an oblique sweep kick, but hard, and you have to do this type of kick with shoes on. If you have sandals on or if you're barefooted, you're not going to get the same reaction. So from here, you sweep, and now I can come back with my hand strikes if necessary. The third is going to be an oblique stomp, but to the instep. So my hands are up. Always remember, keep your hands up. My oblique stomp, I'm going to stomp that instep. Okay? I may need to blind him first. I may need to raise that hand and then stomp, which would work the same. I can blind him and then I can oblique sweep. I can blind him and then I can stomp that leg. I can blind him and again I can stomp the instep. Now, you can also step offline. Visualize, I got an open reverse triangle here. I can step offline, my hands are up. I can step offline and I can blow out the inside of that leg, hit them in the thigh or the knee. This will take your opponent down. Now, how to practice this? How we practice it in full circle Arnis de Mano. Here. I place 2 sticks down. I got my open reverse triangle. My hands are up. I'm standing at the apex of the triangle. Step out, oblique stomp kick. Come back to the apex. Step out, oblique stomp kick. Come back to the apex. Next, oblique sweep kick. Your hands are up. Step out, oblique sweep kick. To the shin or just below the knee of your opponent. Step out, oblique sweep kick, and then come back to the apex of the triangle. And the last is the oblique stomp. From here, step out, oblique stomp kick to the instep. Step out, oblique stomp to the instep, and then back to the apex of the triangle. So there's 3 kicks for you to practice.